Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Soundbar Pro 2.0 arrives as one of the brand's most budget-friendly audio upgrades, designed for users who want better sound from their TV without spending much or dealing with complicated setups. Positioned below the Soundbar Pro 2.1 model, this new 2.0 channel version focuses on simplicity, essential features, and wide device compatibility, all wrapped in a sleek design that fits naturally into modern home entertainment spaces. Xiaomi keeps the design understated, offering the soundbar in a matte black finish with clean edges that blend well under most televisions. Its compact dimensions, 840 by 87 by 60 millimeters, make it easy to place on a TV stand or mount below a display without drawing too much attention. Despite its minimalist look, the build feels stable and well assembled, giving the impression of a product built to last even at its lower price point. Sound quality is where the Soundbar Pro 2.0 tries to offer the most value. Equipped with twin tweeters and two mid-bass drivers delivering a combined power output of 84 watt, it provides a noticeable upgrade from standard TV speakers. The tuning leans on Dolby audio processing, which helps boost clarity and spatial perception, making dialogue easier to follow and adding more presence to movies and shows. The 50 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response allows for a balanced sound profile, though without the deep, low-end rumble that a separate subwoofer would offer. Even so, for a 2.0 system in this price range, the performance is surprisingly full and versatile. Xiaomi includes 6 audio modes tailored for different scenarios, such as gaming, music, and movies. These presets do help shift the character of the sound depending on what you're watching or playing, making the soundbar feel adaptable rather than one-dimensional. Casual users who don't want to tweak settings will appreciate how quickly they can switch between profiles to match their content. Connectivity is one of the standout strengths of the Soundbar Pro 2.0. Xiaomi provides multiple ways to hook it up, including HDMI ARC for easy control through your TV remote, Bluetooth for wireless audio streaming, and NFC for fast pairing with compatible smartphones. This flexibility makes it a practical choice for households with multiple devices or those who prefer wireless listening without compromising convenience. Currently launching in Spain for €99, the Soundbar Pro 2.0 positions itself as an entry-level option with features often found in higher-priced competitors. While the rollout across the rest of Europe has not been confirmed, it seems reasonable to expect broader availability based on the distribution pattern of the Pro 2.1 model. If that happens, it's likely to be one of the most cost-effective soundbar upgrades in its category. Overall, the Xiaomi Soundbar Pro 2.0 delivers a strong blend of essential features, reliable performance, and excellent value. It enhances TV audio in a meaningful way, supports modern connectivity options, and maintains a clean, unobtrusive design. Users looking for an affordable and straightforward sound upgrade without the complexity of multi-speaker setups will find this model a compelling choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.